Yes. So first classification is on the basis of functional group, either aldehyde or ketone. So polyhydroxyaldehyde carbohydrates and polyhydroxy ketones carbohydrates. Let's see the second classification on the basis of reducing nature. On the basis of reducing nature. So on the basis of reducing nature, again, carbohydrates are divided into two types. So first one is non-reducing sugars. कुछ reduce कर देंगे, कुछ reduce नहीं करते. Again, I think you know about reducing agent. So कुछ reducing agent होंगे, कुछ reducing agent नहीं होंगे. So first one is non-reducing sugars. Second one is reducing sugars. Again, यदि भी आगे जाके चैप्टर के अंदर थोड़ी डिस्कशन आप करेंगे. फिलहाल वास्ते we have second classification, and on the basis of second classification, carbohydrates are divided into two types, and second definition is actually on the basis of reducing nature. So you have non-reducing sugars which can reduce, which cannot reduce, and you have reducing sugar which can obviously reduce and act as a reducing agent. ठीक है. Non-reducing sugar दी कोई example है, लिख देना तो मैं. So sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. Second, we have reducing sugar. There are 3 to 4 important examples. Let's see. So fructose is a reducing sugar. Again, they can ask you the question MCQ. And glucose, जेड़ा आप हमने देखा है, glucose भी की है reducing sugar. Maltose करके एक होता carbohydrate, वो भी reducing sugar है. Lactose करके carbohydrate होएगा, वो भी की है reducing sugar. Okay. So two type of classification that we have seen. First one is on the basis of functional group, and second one on the basis of reducing nature. Non-reducing sugars and reducing sugars. Let's see the third classification. Third classification is on the basis of sweetness. Keda sweet hai, keda nahi. So classification on the basis of sweetness. Again, you eat cane sugar, khand वगैरह आप खाने हैं, तो khand sweet होती है. And if you see starch is also a carbohydrate. जेड़ा आप आटा वगैरह खाने हो, इतना ज़्यादा मिठा नहीं होता. So जेड़ा sweet नहीं है, उसकी कैटेगरी च आ जाएगा. So basically नाम भी ऐसा ही है. जेड़े sweet होंगे, उन्होंने आप कहेंगे sugars. वो carbohydrates में आप कह देंगे sugars. जेड़े sweet नहीं होंगे, वो carbohydrate में आप कह देंगे non sugar. So starch is a carbohydrate, that is the roti that we eat. It is not sweet at all. So non sugar दी category च आएगा. And जेड़ी आप चीनी वगैरह consume करते हैं, वो sugar दी category च आ जाएगा because it is sweet. ठीक है. Sweet है तो sugar, sweet नहीं है तो non sugar. Okay. Third classification again very easy. Let's see the fourth one. Fourth one is very important. Fourth one is very important. नाम decide करने दे काम आएगा. Let's see the fourth classification. Fourth and fifth very important. Let's see. On the basis of number of carbon. On the basis of number of carbons. On the basis of number of carbons. So if your carbohydrate have 3 carbons, if your carbohydrate have 3 carbons, उन्होंने आप कहोगे triose, 3 carbon triose. Okay. उन्होंने आप triose भी कह सकते हैं, ठीक है. You can say और कोई नाम ही होएगा common name, and IUPAC के according to see triose कह सकते हो. अगर there are 4 carbons, so you can say tetraose. Tetraose. If you have 5 carbon, you can say that it is a pentose. And if you have 6 carbon, you can say that is a hexose. Okay. So what about glucose? Glucose की है दसना मेनू जरा. C6H12O6. Glucose is a triose, tetraose, pentose, or hexose? Yes.
Hexose.
Okay, so glucose is a hexose. ठीक है. So अगर aldehyde group होएगा ना, पूरा नाम भी आपा देख लेना. It is a hexose, as you know. Hexose. So if you have CHO group, then you will say aldose also. ठीक है, aldose. Aldehyde होएगा ना CHO group, so it is aldose also. अगर you have C double bond O group, you will say it is a ketose. It is a ketose. So glucose का अगर proper नाम लेना है, you can say it is aldohexose. Okay, aldo. ऐसे ही नहीं लगाना, तो उसे कह सकते हो glucose is a aldohexose. So name पढ़ के पता लग जाएगा कि कार्बन कितने हैं, ते functional group केड़ा है. So if someone saying to you it is a aldohexose, means functional group is aldehyde. Hexose means there are 6 carbons in that carbohydrate. So if I say to you, you have aldopentose, how many carbons do you have? Yes,
5.
you have 5 carbons, and functional group is obviously CHO. ठीक है, aldehyde group. So this is the 4th classification based on the number of carbons. So again, glucose is a aldohexose. Okay. Let's talk about fructose. Fructose da bhi aapa dekh lene hain. Fructose है C6H12O6. Formula of fructose, same structure, is a little bit different. So both are isomers to each other again. So fructose ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਉਹਨੇ ਮੈਂ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ functional group change ਹੈ, that is ketone. So ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਕਵਾਂਗੇ? Fructose is a ketohexose.
Ketone hexose.
हाँ, ketohexose. So fructose ਦਾ ਹਾਲੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਹਾਲੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ structure नहीं दिखाया, वो भी जल्दी आएगा fructose ਦਾ structure, but it is a ketohexose. Okay. Let's see. 5th classification again, very, very important. The last classification, 5th classification. Let's see. Classification of carbohydrates on a number of products formed on hydrolysis. Again, a very important classification. A classification कर दें, but इसको पहले 4 देख लो. Take your time, take 1 minute. First 4 classification देखो. Classification of carbohydrates. First one is on the basis of functional group. So it can be a polyhydroxyaldehyde or it can be a polyhydroxyketone. Second classification is on the basis of your reducing nature. It can be non-reducing sugar or it can be a reducing sugar. Just remember the examples. The third classification is on the basis of sweetness. So sugars and non-sugars. Sugar means sweet carbohydrates. Non-sugar means sweet nahi hai. Starch is like. On the basis of number of carbons, agar number of carbon 3 hai, you have triose. Agar number of carbon 4 hai, you have tetraose and pentose, hexose. Okay, so 4 ही हले में दसियां, 4 तक क्या पढ़े थे. And we have seen that glucose is also known as aldohexose. Functional group is aldehyde and it is a hexose. And fructose is known as actually ketohexose because functional group in fructose is ketone again, and hexose because there are 6 carbons. Any doubt? Yes, anyone? Yes. किसी को कोई doubt है? अगर clear है तो raise your hand or send me an emoji. Thumbs up, thumbs down था तो option नहीं का. Yes. Okay, very good. So let's see the 5th classification again. 5th one is important. So product on hydrolysis. So अगर तुसी पानी दे अंदर mix कर दे हो carbohydrate ਨੂੰ किन्ने product मिलते हैं ਉਹਦੇ basis ते classification. So products of hydrolysis. Products of hydrolysis. Okay. So product of hydrolysis, the base the carbohydrates are divided into 3 types actually. Let's see the first type. First one is monosaccharides. First one is monosaccharides. पहला मैं नाम ही लिख देना, देन मैं डिटेल में एक्सप्लेन करांगा कि व्हाट आर मोनोसैकेराइड्स, व्हाट आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ मोनोसैकेराइड्स. Second one is you have oligosaccharides. Oligosaccharides. Third one is polysaccharides. Third glucose on the basis of hydrolysis is polysaccharides. Okay. So let's see what is monosaccharides. Monosaccharides हो होंगे अगर तुसी ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਕਾਰਬੋਹਾਈਡਰੇਟ ਨੂੰ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਮਿਕਸ ਕਰੋਗੇ ਕੋਈ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲੇਗਾ, ਇਹ ਬ੍ਰੇਕ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਣਗੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. So if you mix monosaccharides into water, then you will not get any product. प्रोडक्ट उदो ही मिलेगा अगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट टूट जाएगा ना. So monosaccharides टूटते नहीं है, so प्रोडक्ट कोई नहीं मिलता, ठीक है. So monosaccharides बारे आप एक स्टेटमेंट लिख सकते हैं, they do not, okay, they do not undergo hydrolysis. I can easily write that, and this is a correct statement. They do not undergo hydrolysis. Actually, monosaccharides do not undergo hydrolysis. पानी के अंदर मिक्स करोगे, you will not get anything. ठीक है, break नहीं होंगे, so you will not get anything. Okay. So let's see some examples of monosaccharides. First one is again, अब बार-बार देखते हैं glucose. Formula is C6H12O6. Second one is fructose, is also a monosaccharides. Third one is ribose. Ribose करके भी होता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट, वो भी मोनोसैकेराइड ही है. मोनोसैकेराइड means water के अंदर mix करोगे, you will not get anything, you will not get any product. So they do not undergo hydrolysis. So this is the basic definition of monosaccharides. Let's see oligosaccharides. Okay, so let's see oligosaccharides. Oligo means they will give you 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Okay. So they will give you 2 to 10 units of monosaccharides. Let me write it, units. 2 to 10 units of monosaccharides. So ਤੁਸੀਂ अगर oligosaccharides ਨੂੰ water ਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ mix ਕਰੋਗੇ, either you will get 2 monosaccharides, 2 glucose ਦੇ molecule ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, 2 fructose ਦੇ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, 1 glucose 1 fructose ਦਾ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ, 2 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਵੀ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦਾ, 10 ਤੱਕ ਮਿਲ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ, 3 ਵੀ ਮਿਲਣਗੇ, that is also oligosaccharide. That carbohydrate is also a oligosaccharide. 4 मिलेंगे, that is also a oligosaccharide. So 2 to 10, if you are getting 2 to 10 units after adding the water into the carbohydrate, that is a oligosaccharide. Again ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਪਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ, oligo ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਸਕਦਾ ਨਾ classify. अगर 2 देगा तो disaccharide, 3 देगा तो trisaccharide, 4 देगा तो tetrasaccharide, pentasaccharide. ठीक है, चलो एग्जांपल आप देखते हैं. एग्जांपल्स आर सुक्रोज एंड माल्टोज. एग्जांपल्स आर सुक्रोज एंड माल्टोज. I think ये वाली ਜਿਹੜੀ reaction मैं उन्हें लिखांगा वो तुसी देखी होगी. Let me write one reaction here. So this is sugar, as you know, C12H22O11, also known as sucrose, also known as cane sugar. If you add water into it, what you will get in acidic medium? If you add water into it, you can use acidic medium or you can use an enzyme known as invertase. What is the enzyme? We have discussed in surface chemistry. The enzyme is a biochemical catalyst. ठीक है. So C12H actually ना 22 है, मैं 12 लिखता गलती ना. H22O11. Can you give me the product? Yes. की प्रोडक्ट बनने वाले किसी ने रिएक्शन देखी होगी कभी अपनी जिंदगी के अंदर? हाँ जी. Can you give me the product of this reaction? Yes. So you will get a glucose and you will get a fructose if you don't know. Okay. So you will get two products, C6H12O6 plus C6H12O6. So after adding water into sugar, you will get two products, and again the molecular formula of both the products are same, but one is aldohexose and other is ketohexose. Okay, so glucose and fructose. You will get glucose and you will get fructose. You will get glucose and fructose. Okay. So again, can I say sucrose is a oligosaccharide? Yes or no? Can I say that? Sucrose is a oligosaccharide. Yes. Answer me. Yes or no? Answer me in chat section. Can I say?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Very good. I can say that.
Yes.
Sucrose is a oligosaccharide because I am adding water into sucrose and I am getting two monosaccharides. And oligo da भी एक केड़ा part आ जाएगा, disaccharide के अंदर आ जाएगा. 2 मिले तो डाई, 3 मिले तो ट्राई. चलो. Polysaccharide, I think polysaccharide की definition clear होगी, give you more than 10 units. They will give you more than 10 units. That is a polysaccharide. Okay, let me give you the examples of polysaccharide. So you have starch. Starch is a polysaccharide. You will get so many number of monosaccharides out of it अगर water के अंदर पाओगे. Next one is cellulose. Cellulose is a polysaccharide. Then you have glycogen. Glycogen is a polysaccharide. Yes. Any doubt in third classification? You have, sorry, fifth classification. 3 types of fifth classification. Just concentrate. Product on hydrolysis. If hydrolysis nahi hundi bhi, then they are monosaccharide. If you are getting 2 to 10 units, then it is the oligosaccharide. Again, dietri bhi सारे के अंदर आ जाएंगे. And if you are getting more than 10 units, then it is your polysaccharide. Yes.
Polysaccharide.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Fifth classification. Okay. Let's see one reaction for polysaccharide. So you have C6H10O5. Okay. Bracket N. So this is a starch. This is a starch molecule. N numbers of C6H10O5. If you add N-1 number of water molecule in acidic medium, you will get again N numbers of glucose molecules. N number of glucose molecule. Starch, the under water add करवाओगे, you will get N number of glucose molecule. Again, N is greater than 10. N 10 तो ज़्यादा ही है थे. 10 तो ज़्यादा molecule मिलेंगे. Obviously, starch is a polysaccharide. So next मेरा topic है evidence of glucose structure. जेड़ा कि अपन कल दी class to discuss करने वाले हैं. Now I have to go. थोड़ा मैंने काम है. So आज वास्ते इतना ही. कल अपन कोशिश करांगे.
Okay, sir.
कार्बोहाइड्रेट ਨੂੰ खत्म करिए एंड प्रोटीन ਨੂੰ भी खत्म करिए. कल ਦਾ थोड़ा लेक्चर ਆਪਾਂ एक्सटेंड करांगे. तो जो भी मैं थे लिखा है विल शेयर द पीडीएफ फाइल. आई थिंक थोड़ा बहुत पता लग गया होगा इंट्रोडक्शन टू कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स. इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट लेट मी नो. यस, किनु क्लियर है? यस,
Yes, sir. Clear है.
वेरी गुड.
clear.
ओके, चलो कल मिलते हैं. कल दा टाइम 11 बजे दा नहीं है बिकॉज यू हैव योर फिजिक्स क्लास इन इंस्टीट्यूट. कल दा टाइम है 4 बजे दा.
Yes, sir.
क्लास विल बी ऑनलाइन. केमिस्ट्री क्लास विल बी ऑनलाइन, नॉट ऑफलाइन. लेट्स मीट टुमारो.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.